Arundel Castle, a living legacy. For over 1,000 years, Arundel Castle has stood as more than just a fortress. It's been a home, a battleground, a sanctuary, and a witness to England's ever-changing story. Perched on a hill in West Sussex, its stone walls have sheltered kings, queens, and generations of the Howard family, who still call it home today. The castle was built in 1067 by Roger de Montgomery, a loyal companion of William the Conqueror. The castle was both a stronghold and a statement of power, but behind the towering battlements and grand staterooms, there were real lives, knights clattering across the courtyards, servants whispering in narrow corridors, and children playing in the very hall where history was made. It survived sieges, civil war, and centuries of change, each era leaving its mark. Victorian restoration breathed new life into its ancient stones, turning it into the fairy tale silhouette recognized today. Yet, despite its grandeur, Arundel Castle has always been more than a museum. It's a living, breathing home. The current Duke of Norfolk still hosts guests beneath its vault ceiling. The castle's garden bloom with the same beauty that once inspired poets and artists. Arundel isn't just a relic of the past, it's a place where history feels alive. Every creaking stairs, every faded tapestry tells a story, not just of wars and royalty, but of the ordinary people who lived, loved, and labored within its walls. It stands not as a cold monument, but as a grand old house, with centuries of secrets, laughter, and life etched into its very foundations.